When you see a binomial squared, do not square each term. Start by rewriting it twice. For a plus b squared, write a plus b times a plus b. Now follow FOIL in order every time. First, multiply the first terms. A times a gives a squared. Outer, multiply the outer terms. A times b gives a b. Inner, multiply the inner terms. B times A gives a B. Last, multiply the last terms. B times B gives B squared. Now combine like terms. Two AB terms become 2AB. That gives A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. For a minus B squared, the steps are the same. Just watch the signs. Rewrite, FOIL, combine. Squares always follow a pattern. Pause the video and try solving these examples independently. Rewrite, FOIL, combine. Squares always follow a pattern.